Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raina Jane, a beauty content creator, and today I will be doing this pink cosmic makeup look for Swiss Beauty's 11th birthday. You guys can check out some amazing offers on Swiss Beauty's website. Right now there's flat 30% off, so don't forget to check that out. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel before we begin. And now let's get right into the video. First, I'm starting off with concealing my face, and for that, I'm using my most favorite product from Swiss Beauty, which is their liquid concealer. I'm in the shade 01 Warm Sand, and this is by far the best drugstore concealer that I've used. I'm concealing my dark circles with it and also some pigmentation around my mouth. And to blend it in, I'm using this Swiss Beauty makeup sponge, which you guys can see is doing such a fab job at blending the concealer. Now for the rest of my face, I'm using this Primer Mousse foundation again by Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade N06, which is beige. It gives such a velvety smooth finish all over your face and feels so lightweight. To blend it in, I'm using this brush from a Swiss Beauty brush set. This is a face and eye brush set, and I have to say that Swiss Beauty makes some of the best quality makeup brushes. Next, I'm using this Cream It Up Cream Blush, which is in the shade Natural Flush. I'm doing a monochromatic pink look, so I'm applying this on my cheekbones and connecting it to the eye. So this is just going to be a base for all of the eyeshadows that I will be applying next. This cream blush blends so seamlessly, you literally need zero efforts to blend it in. For eyes, I'm using this Take Me Anywhere eyeshadow palette, which has such beautiful colors, and I'm applying this blush pink shade all over my eyes and also slightly connecting it to the cheek area. Next, I'm taking this darker pink color and applying it on the outer corners of the eyes and blending it in. Also using eyeshadow brushes from the same brush set. Also applying the same pinks on my lower lash line. Now for my entire lid, I'm taking this bronzy pink eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid, and just for the center of my eyelid I'm using a very sparkly silver eyeshadow, and that is just giving that extra glam to my eyes. I'm also applying a light rose gold shade on the inner corners and the brow bones just for that highlight. Then I'm applying the Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara, and this is a beautiful mascara which lengthens and gives a lot of volume to your lashes. I'm applying a generous coat on my top and bottom lashes. For that extra glam, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Light Pink. It's a beautiful liquid highlighter which blends so easily, looks so sparkly, and I'm applying it on all the high points of my face. Next, I'm using a pink eyeliner. I was so excited to use this Color Me Bright Sketch eyeliner in the shade Pink Crush. It's such a beautiful pink eyeliner, and Swiss Beauty has done such a great job at creating these colored eyeliners. Colored eyeliners are really tough to make, and Swiss Beauty has done an amazing job. They have so many shades in these. Adding some rhinestones on my eyes, which is my most favorite part to do, and I haven't done this in a while now. And to set the face, I'm using the matte makeup fixer and spritzing it all over my face. Finally, for lips, I'm using my most favorite lip gloss from Swiss Beauty. It's their Plump Up Wet Gloss in the shade Deep Desire. It's the most reflective, wet looking lip gloss that I own, and it just looks so pretty. And this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please let me know what you guys think about this makeup look in the comment section below. All the products will be linked in the description box below. Also, don't forget to make the most of the 11/11 sale on Swiss Beauty. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.